gotta watch your fingers. If you come back on that, that will smash them pretty good. Hi, and welcome back. I think this evening we're gonna flip the tailgate up, try to strip all that blue paint off and that bondo. That's probably all I'm gonna do tonight. Getting here kind of late and need to get in, but yeah, I think we're just gonna take our time and strip all that off, see how far we get, and maybe next time paint it with that etching primer green. But let's head over there and I'll show you how the tailgate turned out from what we did last time. This is how it turned out. I don't think it's too bad. That speckle went away, but we do have to still plug that hole. And I forgot about this one, but you can see it goes all the way through. But I think tonight we'll put this up and start trying to strip all this out and down. Try to take the trim off. I'm sure I have to plug some trim holes in it, but yeah, that's what I'm thinking I'll be working on tonight. I might try to swing the Bronco out this way. That way I got some more room. I think this weekend I'm gonna start cleaning up. Kind of cleaned up over here a little bit. Took some parts to the back barn. Looks better. There's those knuckleheads. But anyways, let's get over there and start working. well, I think that's where I'm gonna call it a night. There's a lot of bondo right here, but there's a lot of bondo right here. I don't know, can't really tell, but big indentation here. I think that's where they probably drilled in or something, try to pop it out. But hopefully I can fix that. And this up here too. There's our hole that we need to fix. Next time we may drill out the trim, weld those up, clean around this, weld this up, and on the inside of the bed, weld the other spot up, and go along the inside here that we missed and get that painted as well. First time I've seen it closed, looks pretty good. But I think I'm gonna use this tailgate for a while and try to take the dents out of it best I can, but I think it's still pretty good. Except for that spot and this. I can hammer that right there back down. I don't know if I can bring that out. But yeah, still got a long ways to go get the rest of it, but hopefully next time we can at least get half of this done. And then probably gonna disassemble this best I can. Try to keep everything together and put it back. Couple screws there, some screws up here, a little lot. So you gotta watch your fingers. If you come back on that, that will smash them pretty good. Anyways, more sanding and more sanding in the future. So, well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. I'll see y'all next time.